found it filled with computer disks and software. The trunkload of floppies and CD-ROMs hardly seemed a momentous find, but as today's detectives know, it could provide a treasure trove of evidence.
Here's some stairs. They go up to a horse.
Well, see, there's a nice garden you made.
Here's some stairs that go up to Cinderella's horse.
In more scenes now. It's no longer just here's the bloody knife and the gun.
Why, look. She already has a horse.
Digital media.
But look.
Altogether, 50 CD-ROMs and 400 to 500 floppy disks were seized from Yerke's car and home. The suspect's wife had mentioned that he liked to keep a journal. Though they knew it was a long
And here's
shot,
one eye.
investigators needed to find out if he had confessed his crimes electronically. St. Augustine had a tough road ahead of him. In order to preserve the integrity of the evidence, he had to copy every file found on every disk, the equivalent of an entire room filled floor to ceiling with paper. Next, he had to search through individual files, looking for anything associated with a crime.
I soon discovered a floppy containing the resume of Mr. Yerke, some jobs that he had worked at, as well as a file called My Sins. I attempted to open it.
But still couldn't penetrate Yerke's defense. It was obvious that whatever was in this document, Yerke had done everything to keep his sins hidden. Investigators in Colorado believed Alan Yerke was responsible for the death of his wife's best friend. But without any physical evidence linking him to the crime, their only hope of solving the case was to hack an encrypted computer file entitled My Sins. With the help of some powerful software, John St. Augustine was finally able to obtain Yerke's secret password. God help.
When I entered the password, God help, into the My Sins document, immediately came a screen that said, My Sins is reserved by Alan R. Yerke. Now I knew that Mr. Yerke was the author of this particular file.
St. Augustine was finally able to open the encrypted file. A list of Alan Yerke's crimes appeared on the screen, including the murders he committed. Perhaps more chilling was a list of murders he planned to commit in the future. Included in the list was the rape and murder of Deidre Malachowski. This on-screen confessional bore out investigators' suspicion. The man in their custody was a calculating criminal whose